First, take a wax crayon. On the back of your picture of your portrait, you're going to rub it over so it's completely covered in the wax crayon. When you've done that, turn it back and place it on top of your A4 piece of paper. You might need to use paper clips to keep it in place. It's important that it doesn't move. Then take a HB pencil and go around the outlines and the features. Push nice and hard because this is going to push the wax crayon onto the other piece of paper. When you've done that, take it off and you should see an outline of what you have drawn. Then change your pencil to a 2B and draw in the lines and the features. You might want to add some rough shading. Once you've done the face, move on to the hair. So just draw some of the lines, you don't need to draw all of them. Then take a 6B pencil and you can start shading in those darker areas. Look at the picture carefully to see where areas are darker and then try and put them in place on your picture. Use your finger to smudge the pencil and blend it together. With the hair, add some lines. And then you can start shading over it. Look at the picture and then you can start adding the darker areas. Remember, you can use your rubber to take away areas or if you need to redo things. If there are whiter areas in your picture, you can use the rubber to draw with to create those lighter areas. Remember to go back over the features on your face and look at those darker areas and put them in with your 6B pencil. Use your finger to blend the pencil together.